So it's the start of a new year, and I know it's been a while since I've gone live. I'm actually challenging myself to do a new thing this year. Once upon a time, there was a scarecrow who was alone. He was the last scarecrow. One day, a crow happened upon his straw hat. It was time for the last scarecrow to begin his journey.
For a new writer, my suggestion is just make it as easy as possible, because if you make it too hard, you're just going to burn yourself out early. Start you off on going simple as possible. Tech, he's going to be an anti-hero in his 30s, was nearly killed as a child when his parents got into trouble with a private company for stealing state-of-the-art technology. What is the message? What is the theme? What is the story that you're trying to tell? Regardless of how fantastical or how non-fantastical the world is, has to be believable. And trust me, like, the challenge sometimes was real. There was a few times where I was sick. There was times where I was just like, I just either didn't feel inspired or I was just busy dealing with life. Each of you who are showing up here, you guys are helping me be accountable and me be consistent in this experience. And just thank you for that. Trust me, I wish it lasted forever. There were so many times where I got to the page, I started writing, but it didn't last. Don't forget to like this video or this stream, and let me know that you enjoyed what we're chatting about. Writing and working in the fantasy genre is so much fun. You get to tell your story, you get to be as creative as you want, and then once you've built out the creativity of the world, the characters, and the story, then you can pull back and you can make sure that your characters are reflecting the messages that you want to tell. Well, why, you ask? Love it, hate it, face it. Hybristophilia pays the rent, she finished. The intern vomited across her desk. It's been long enough. I've respected your wishes, now respect mine. Take him out and show him around the town. Silence fills the room. Hey, I hear you get a free breakfast on your birthday. You hungry? My treat. Fuck you. Nick, my name is sacred. I am Butternut. You want to minimize the chance of a reader being pulled out of the story and being like, wait, what's going on? Forget dropping to the drop zone. I'm dropping you guys now, but drop or die. Your characters, what is the singular emotion that you want them to overcome in this journey? All of the obstacles that they're going to face are going to have to be a result and a reflection of that fear. And at last, tip number 100, write easy, write consistently, and write now.